YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo, man. Back with another banger. Hey, we outside sliding real good. You got my boy Chase behind me. We headed to a little car meet, but I want to give y'all a little quick little POV. You know what I'm saying? Hey, watch me. With the gang, hold on, let me get my thumbnail. Let me get my thumbnail real quick. Hold on. We missed it. Hold on, I'm gonna try it again. I gotta get another one. There you go. Outside cutting up with the gang. Make sure y'all check out my boy YouTube, Widebody Chase. He do get active over there. I be trying to make him drop more content. He coming though. He gonna get it, cause he say he want it. So anybody that tell me they want it, I know they gonna put in that effort for real. Let me out though. Why y'all trying to trap me in here though? Let me out though. Chase shit clean though. I get a wide body. I don't know about a challenge though, but I get a wide body. I want a wide body Charger. I want a wide body Charger HELLCAT though. That is the primary difference. I want a cat daddy. Cat season. I'm ready, y'all. I don't know why I'm so. And listen, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. So I also wanted a Trackhawk. Trackhawk is my car, bro, because I always drove trucks. Since I've been in high school, I drove trucks. I had a Tahoe, I had a Suburban, I had an Expedition, you know what I'm saying? I also had trucks. And then I fell in love with the cars, the HELLCATs and stuff. So to have my favorite kind of vehicle, which is a truck, with my favorite kind of motor, which is a supercharged motor, you know, that'd be precious. I get the best of both worlds. So I was like, man, Trackhawk perfect. But if I have to dial back and sell them, I get a cat. It's gotta be wide body though. Or if I get a slim body, I'm gonna wide body it. Cause I was gonna wide body be at Daytona, you know what I'm saying? But I just say I don't take all my money, invest in me put all my money up, grab me a cat, and then start building that. All the tuning and stuff that I was gonna do, I'll just do it on the cat, bro. Why? I don't want to double pay for a lot of stuff that I'm gonna have to do. Like, this is my second time paying for a mid-muffler. This is my second time getting exhaust work done. This is my second time, you know what I'm saying? Like, shit like that. At that point, it'll be the third time I had to go through all that. So, I'm just like, just grab the cat and just build the cat. But, yeah, right now we're in traffic, getting real. One of them, y'all know, quick pulls, love them. I don't let y'all see all the shiesty shit I do, bro. I really don't, cause I drive my, it's my daily vehicle, and I drive my car a lot, bro. If y'all was with me every day, y'all be like, nah, you gotta learn to just slow down sometimes. But I can't help it. I can't help it. I don't want nobody else but you, which is my scat and the cat. in the track, you know. But yeah, man, we outside though. We headed down south for a little chill, little car show, little vibe, you know. And I thought I'd give y'all a good POV, cutting up with a wide body. Oh wait, I said cutting up with a wide body Challenger. But yeah, like I said, if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming in, vibing with your boy. It's other videos like this on the channel, so just take a look around, you know, browse a little bit, catch a vibe. I got takeover action where I go down south and to Mexico, and in Mexico they get real active. And then I got like lifestyle stuff. I like shopping. I be putting that shit on sometimes. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finna start doing like public interviews too. Those coming next. I do reaction videos, you know. Those are lit because I'm funny. Real nigga shit, you know. I don't know what's going on. RV sliding though. Yeah, man, we just outside cruising. It's a nice day too, but it's got a good look. It's got like a little wind, so it ain't too hot. It's got clouds, cloudy. You know what I'm saying? But the sun is what's the degrees outside? 82. Out here. Where we going, it might be even hotter because it's Daytona Beach, you know, so that may be a little toasty too sometimes. Escalator is murdered out for real. Oh, black. Thank you, brother. We're gonna just look, see right now, as soon as I get over, pressure brakes. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. I think we're finna do nothing else. We're just cruising. Chase me on that conservative gas thing, you know what I'm saying? I don't care because I know we're gonna use it anyway. And shit, my dad be trying to save his gas, and I can't blame him for that, you know, because gas is expensive. I got a video coming real soon to tell y'all how much gas I spend in a month, or how much I spend on gas in a month with it being a daily driver. And I gotta add a caveat. I do got a heavy foot, so that adds to that. But for the most part, yeah, this is what I spend on the regular. And I can show y'all a year's worth of receipts. Like, y'all be like, God, that is no way that you, like, how are you doing that, bro? I need a gas card, like a fleet card, because maybe that'll give me like a discount or something. But I'm real deal telling y'all, I be spending some money on some gas, man. Catching the wave though. But yeah, I'm gonna get at y'all when we get done. Say straight up.